Welcome to another edition of Nova Solutions video blog. On today's episode, I want to discuss website design for law firms. So we get a lot of clientele in the legal profession, and there are general concepts and general kind of rules, I guess, that one should follow when designing a website for a legal professional, a lawyer or a law firm. So first and foremost, you got to realize the type of clientele that enters your website. First and foremost, it is either potential clients or individuals who want to learn, about the services you provide. So whether students or potential employees, right? So I wouldn't cut corners on the content. You want to make sure that your website has unique content and a lot of it, and it's well done and well written, right? So if you have to describe professional, legal terms, have a glossary, describe services or case studies, it'd be a good idea to have it on your site. So it seems like it's knowledgeable and all-encompassing. Another thing is the design. It has to be unique. It has to be impressive. It cannot look general, yet at the same time, it has to be easily read, and the overall website has to have focus when one looks at it, right? It has to be really easy to understand what you do, what's your field, and how to navigate your site for more information, right? So whether you're deciding, with a complex design or with something more unique and modern, it does not matter. But you want to make sure that you customize it and go for the impressive, the impressive look, as opposed to kind of easy to navigate. It looks like every other second website. Legal profession overall, charges a lot of money, and if I want to, a lawyer to help me out, whether it's in my, corporate estate matters or any other legal matters, I want to make sure that I hire the lawyer that looks and acts and obviously, charges, hefty fee and does a good service. So, if you're charging a lot of money, you don't want to have a website that looks mediocre and has poor content. Unique design and unique wow look, that's what you're going for. In a couple of points, the website should have overall focus. It should be really easy to tell what you do, why you're the best, and to kind of, from the first 10 seconds that somebody glances at your homepage, why, the first 10 seconds kind of form the entire opinion of the entire site, right? So it is a very good idea to give it the best that you got when you're designing the site. You should have video content on the site as well. It's really helpful. Whether it's video blogs, videos of you maybe in proceedings or in some sort of conferences or public speaking somewhere. If you have a video section, call it a video blog, or just a couple of generic videos that you could find in the footer of your website. They make your business look a lot more legitimate, and a lot more serious and a lot more professional. Right, so not only do you have a website and an office, but hey, you've featured here and there, and this is what you really look like, and this is your team, so on and so forth. Lastly, I want to mention social media. A lot of industries neglect social exposure and social media. The train of thought is they're never going to convert a client, by having a lot of likes on Facebook. I would argue to you that in a business where people do a lot of research and pay high-end, fees to hire you, it is very, very important to have fully developed social media. Just my train of thought personally, I'm selecting a lawyer, I like your website, I like everything about it. I start doing some more research, looking at your Facebook page and your LinkedIn page, and I find out that it's either non-complete, or you have 20 likes. While, you might be the best lawyer in town, it would, natural kind of human reaction, you would kind of raise question marks, right? If this is a law firm that's professional, it's been around for a while, why their social exposure is lacking. So I'm Shamil from Nova Solutions. Thank you for tuning in, and if you have any questions, I encourage you to email us, or contact us through social media. We can address them in your video blogs. Please share this video and then subscribe to our channel. Till next time.